I did something bad. I've been riding around with a plug in the tire. Baby fix it. And there it is. They don't understand me. Man, I be trying to raise a family. Got a big dream that most of them can't see. Gotta get that money, I don't need nothing fancy. Ready for some good, I can take another bad week. Banging in the street, I'm stable in the factory. Either way I do it, they would tell me I ain't never been. You take everything apart, keep everything together. Might actually have to loosen these. Sound like playing with these. Superstition, ayy. Count me the bands, I'm running away. I see signs of better days. Count me the bands, I'm out of this place. Won't look back, I'm hard to replace. All this pain is just a phase. Through the mistakes, I found my way. Gotta be brave, bright like call me Ray. Waste no more time, I'ma get mine. Worry about the haters, I'ma be fine. Got it all off. Now this right here is gonna come apart. Go ahead and grab these. Don't want to lose those. Most of them can't see. Gotta get that money, I don't need nothing fancy. Ready for some good, I can take another. So this it's gonna come off. This is where you want to remember how everything goes in. Get this bad boy to the shop. My spare, damn, my spare. New tire mounted. Let's get to it. Alright, we're gonna put these back one by one. Let's go around. Dink. Dink. Ka-dink. Dink. Gonna grease back up this. Just put a coat on it. Gonna grease these spacers. Clean them up a bit. About to install it. That was hella hard. I had to get this bolt, axle bolt, all the way in. These things keep falling out. Not to mention this brake caliper right here. It mounts into somewhere right there. It has a connection point right there where it mounts into. You gotta line that up perfectly. You gotta get it out of there. That spacer wants to fall out the whole time you're doing it. This thing right here really wants to fall out. Like, ugh. All right, now we gotta tighten this. And we're not gonna tighten it all the way.
And I got a tool to measure these so we can get that chain back where it's supposed to be and everything flush and even. Also, you got these lines right here. Kind of show you where you're at. When I took it off, I had these little crescent moons right there. So I'm trying to get it right back to where it was. Of course, this one does not look right. So let me figure out what's going on there. I would say the hardest part is setting your slack, making sure this is straight. It's way different than working on a four-wheeled vehicle because you only got one wheel. This thing's got to be straight. And you got adjusters on both sides. I'm just trying to succeed. Why you wanna see me bleed? I don't need the energy. If you hating, you can leave. I don't been through so much pain. I ain't got no time to play. Everybody got a nice torque wrench. I ain't caught up in my ways. Always ready to make a change. Aiming for them better things. I seen things I can't explain. I've been spending. I already got some riding on it. I done learned from my mistakes. I'ma keep it low key, you don't really know me. Acting like you do, but we all gon' see. I'ma keep it low key, got like 3 homies. Keep my circle small so nobody step on me. I'ma keep it low key, I'ma keep it low key. Got me playing with this magic, I'm just trying to find some peace. So I keep it low key, I'ma keep it low key, I'ma keep it low key.